Hello everyone, welcome to Good Earnings. In this video, we'll discuss about LIC stock. We all know that recently LIC came with an IPO and it is not succeeded. Most of the investors got lost in that on the first day itself, and still it is going on loss at the present situation. And most of the investors are thinking whether what to do now to sell or hold the stock for a long term. Now we'll discuss today. I will be telling my view on the end of the video. Before that, you want to know few facts about this LIC company, and it will be interesting for you as well. See this. LIC is one of the largest, not one of the, it is the largest IPO in India. The first largest, biggest than others. That raised 21,000 crores in IPO. And it started in 1956 by nationalizing 245 small insurance companies. Government did all 244 companies nationalized and combined and made as LIC company. And at the moment, from 1956 to 2000, there is no insurance company for 44 years. This is only one insurance company. If anyone want insurance, we should go to only LIC. We have only one option that played like a monopoly at the time, 44 years. And after 2000, various private sectors entered into this insurance sector. And at present market, it is having 64% market share, and remaining percent running by private sectors. And still, it is holding 64% market share. That is a good point. And it has shareholding in more than 278 NSE listed companies and more than 1%. See, this in LIC went and invested in lot of companies in NSE listed companies. More than 1% in each company, more than 1% in almost 278 NSE companies. Okay, that is interesting thing. Now the market is falling and LIC also falling. Why? Because it invested in a lot of companies. I will show you the last. It invested almost TCS, Infosys, all blue chip companies here in index what we have in Nifty. It invested a lot of in that. So when market falls, definitely LIC also will fall. So don't worry, when market bounce, definitely LIC will bounce. We'll discuss as the last. And it invested almost 9.53 lakh crore on share market. Okay, that is the biggest, one of the biggest asset we have for LIC. LIC presents not only India, it present in other countries as well. It is an interesting part. We all think that LIC is a government company. We'll having only in India, right? No, we have in other countries as well. Okay, and LIC is if LIC is a country, policyholders as a people, then it is the fourth largest country. You got the point. See, when we think LIC is a country, okay, and the policyholders who are there in the LIC holders, if we think as a people in the country, then the population will be like fourth largest country in the world. Okay, think how much big LIC company is, and we have 30 lakhs agents. Okay, 30 lakh agents in the country. Okay, and with that they are generating 96% revenue with that agents and 4% from banks. They have a link with the banks and they are selling the policies from the banks. Okay, like that they are getting 4%. And coming to the assets, they have central bank securities. They have invested in central bank securities, 37.5%. Actually, RBI will be having a lot of percentage in central government securities, should be having, but LIC took lot of share in this, okay, in government securities. And equity 24.78, and state government securities is 24.61, and corporate bonds 8%. This much percentage they are using in assets. The whole amount they are using like assets here. And as I told you that most of the percentage that income they kept in equities. So that market falls, definitely LSE is also falling. That is the point we want to look here. And coming to negatives, it is running with 9% CAGR and other private insurance companies with 18% CAGR. Okay, it is not competitive with private sector. Private companies are generating more profits, but this LS is not getting that much income, not generating that much fastly. It is not growing that much fastly. That is the biggest negative point. And digital platform users are very less. When comparatively, see, when we go to the website, anything, and we will take any policy, private companies, but we are not going with LIC. LIC, most of the users are not still using LIC website, digital platforms at the present situation. That is the biggest concern here. And recently, okay, these are all the things, facts about this LIC. And we'll see what is the next from here. Okay, about the share, whether it will grow from here or it will fall from here. Recently, we all know that JP Morgan gave overweight on LIC as a discussion in last videos. It is a very interesting thing. They gave, like they said that it is almost 30% down from the IPO price, and this still it is running around 661, nearly 650. So they gave it is at very good valuation at presently they said, and they gave a target of 840 rupees. That is very good. It will move from here upside. They said that it is a very good valuation and it has a chance to move from here to 840 rupees, from here to nearly 25% nearly. Okay, that is a good sign. Not only this Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, various other brokers are also giving more than 900 rupees at target price. Okay, don't worry. If you are already invested, don't worry. The market, again, if market goes up, definitely this LIC also price will move up. You will get into the profits once back again. And for the long term, and if you want to invest for a newly now, I want to say, like, I'm not interested to enter now at the present situation, or not the present situation about this company, because the company is not growing very fastly. 9% CAGR is very low. Like they're not growing very fastly. Private sector is going very fast. So definitely the share price also don't move that much fastly. When I see here, we have a lot more companies we can invest and we can generate good amount in the stocks. In the stocks, if you go for a long term, definitely you will generate a good amount, but not big amount. Okay, you can generate a recent enough income, but if you invest in some other stocks, good stocks, you can generate more income. So I'm not interested to enter into this LIC company. If you're an investor, wait for a while. Definitely you can get into the profits. You can book profit and you can go further if you wish. That's about the stock. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel